In this video, we will demonstrate how to export content from Documentum and import it to Sharepoint Online. We will start by looking at a Documentum environment. Here you can see the Documentum source system with its files and folders. After extraction, we will use the Xillio Insights Tool to get a better understanding of our data and help us to build the migration plan. To extract the content of Documentum to the Xillio data model, we will start the export step in Xillio IDE. In the console, you can see that the data has been processed. Let's switch to the database. Now it's filled with folders. And files, including metadata from Documentum. As you can see, the migration status was not set yet. Now let's use the Xillio Insights Tool to analyze the content extracted from Documentum. With the help of this tool, you can get a good understanding of your data and facilitate data-driven decisions for cleaning and migrating. It gives you a global overview, but it also allows you to zoom into departments, user, and document levels. Next to the dataset we just saw in Documentum, we added a larger one to show you the potential of insights. We start by showing the first dashboard based on a larger dataset, which shows the whole size and the number of created documents. We can drill down to see more insights. You see, for instance, the number of documents, the total size in terabytes, extensions, and documents being modified. Now we switch back to the smaller dataset, which contains the Documentum data we saw earlier. It is possible to see document version-related statistics, like the amount of versions, the number of document versions created per period of time, and version distribution. Let's move on to duplicates. The dashboard shows that 24% of all documents are duplicated, and this accounts for more than 440 gigabytes. Of course, you can easily zoom in and see the actual duplicates. You can also set multiple insights so you can do a cross-check on duplicates. We've just shown you a set of standard dashboards that can easily be customized to match your needs or, for instance, to be set up for each of your departments. Based on analysis, we made a decision not to import images, text files, empty folders, and duplicates into SharePoint Online. Now, we will start the transformation step in the Xillio IDE. This prepares and transforms the data so it is ready to be imported into SharePoint. Let's switch back to the database. As you can see, the previously empty migration status is now set. The documents are ready to be imported. Finally, we start the import to SharePoint Online by clicking the Run button. In the console, you can see information about the data that is being migrated. Let's go to SharePoint Online and take a look. We can see the dataset is imported, including custom metadata fields and versions. Images, duplicates, and empty folders were not imported into the new environment. We have just shown you how to migrate Documentum content into SharePoint Online and how to use insights to analyze and understand your content.